Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today, I'm going to be reviewing DEMELAN cream, and this is available in India. It is formulated with the glycolic acid, KOJIC acid, and it is good to reduce the pigmentation mark on your skin. I make skincare related videos and I do research in the field of dermis and how to cure some diseases, and also I'm working with probiotics. So if you like the videos that I make, please make sure that you click on that bell icon and also subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel to grow. This DEMELAN cream is actually prescribed for the people who have hyperpigmentation marks around their face, and they also have acne scars, and they want to reduce this pigmentation on the skin. The pigmentation actually happens due to the melanin production by the melanocytes that is present on our skin. And sometimes these melanin also starts to move and go to different positions on the skin, which can lead to production more melanin all over your face. So this cream does have some promising results, and this is prescribed by the doctors to reduce the pigmentation around the places where you see a lot of pigmentation marks, whether it be your cheek area, your chin area, your forehead. You can apply it and also apply it on your neck. There is no restriction, you can even apply it on your body. So the ingredients present in this cream is 10% glycolic acid, ARBUTIN 5%, and KOJIC acid 2%. So the first ingredient here is glycolic acid, that is 10%. So it is quite high of a percentage for skin of color. So do make a note when you are applying it. You cannot keep it on. It's not going to be a leave-on product for skin of color at least, but it's going to work magic for the Caucasian skin type. This cream is formulated in such a confusing way that not really skin of color people should use it, because it has the higher content of glycolic acid, and it's a very small molecule that can penetrate deeper into your skin and can lead to more hyperpigmentation because it can trigger your melanocytes. And glycolic acid is one type of alpha hydroxy acid, AHA. There are different creams available by the Ordinary brand and different companies, but glycolic acid should not be used in a higher percentage, at least on the skin of color. And now, what does glycolic acid do? Glycolic acid sits on the top layer of your skin. It loosens up the dead skin that has been accumulated on your skin, and also removes the dirt and debris that is present in your pores. And when you wash it off, it goes all away. It kind of brings the new skin cells up, and the dead skin cell layer has been removed. So it kind of helps the other ingredients to penetrate well into your skin and do its magic. Due to the use of glycolic acid, your skin starts to look much more softer, lighter, much more supple, and it has a nice shine. It's just because it has removed all the dirt and the debris that is not letting your skin cells to have that glass finish. Consistent use of glycolic acid for a long duration helps to reduce the pigmentation mark, especially for the Caucasian skin. Well, for the skin of color, I would not recommend this cream, but even though you want to try it out, you're just going to trigger your melanocytes. So keep that in mind and take into consideration that 10% glycolic acid is not good for skin of color. One more thing, when there is glycolic acid present in your creams, you need to take into consideration to apply that cream or that serum at the nighttime and not use it at the daytime. It is just, if you are using it in the daytime, you need to have a SPF 50 and plus protection, especially the sunscreen made with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These are mineral sunscreen ingredients. They form a shield. You might ask why I can't use it at the daytime. It is just because your new skin cells are being exposed to the top layer, yeah? So when the UV radiation of the sun just reflects back from your skin to the outer wall, what happens is that can lead to triggering the melanocytes, and you might even have a tan all over your face. So that's why we always recommend the patients to wear a high protection of sunscreen when you are applying glycolic acid creams in the daytime. So the next ingredients, that is ARBUTIN. You might have heard about ARBUTIN everywhere. It is really good for reducing the pigmentation mark. It is really good for this. It is really good for that. So ARBUTIN is one ingredient that has been used efficiently for reduction of the hyperpigmentation marks, or to hinder the enzyme tyrosinase enzyme producer so that it cannot lead to melanin production. It's a derivative of hydroquinone, and it is an effective substance or substitute for hydroquinone. So hydroquinone in higher percentage can be a bit alarming for some patients, but this ARBUTIN derived from hydroquinone is much more effective and doesn't cause any sort of irritation on the skin. Alpha arbutin, the ingredient itself, is good for skin of color. If it is 5%, it's okay. It is good, adequate amount of percent that can be used for skin of color. But in this formulation, this glycolic acid 10% is quite alarming, as I mentioned before. The next ingredient is the kojic acid, a very popular ingredient, one of the important ingredients to reduce the hyperpigmentation mark. There has been numerous research on this particular ingredient, and it is derived from the mushroom. I will show you the picture here. This mushroom it is derived from, it's a fungi, and this ingredient helps to lighten the pigmentation mark, and it also has effect on the melanin production. It kind of reduces it, and it also plays a very important role as an anti-inflammatory ingredient. So as a solo ingredient, this kojic acid doesn't do a very beautiful job, or else doesn't do 100% work. But with some other skin lightening agents like ARBUTIN, or whether it be vitamin C, so it does a good job when combined with other ingredient, and it goes deeper into the skin. That's why here in the formulation, glycolic acid is added to loosen up the dead skin cells, and the other active ingredients like the ARBUTIN and kojic acid go deeper into your skin, and that helps to reduce the appearance of the hyperpigmentation marks. So who can use this DEMELAN cream? It's a very straightforward answer. The person who is suffering from pigmentations, and it has been prescribed for the people who have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation mark, who have scratched their acne marks, and that has led to melanin production, and that left a very big hyperpigmentation mark. And some people who have light hyperpigmentation marks here and there, these people can use it without any problem. It is prescribed mostly for the Caucasian skin type, not for the skin of color, because for skin of color to obtain the result of reducing the hyperpigmentation mark, it takes a bit more time as compared to the Caucasian skin, because the Caucasian skin type, they actually show results within 1 or 2 months of applying this cream, whereas the skin of color takes a longer time, and that is just because there is different ingredients that is not friendly for the skin of color. Now the question is how to use this DEMELAN cream. Usually this cream is set to use at nighttime, because some people don't do a proper protection for the sun after using it at the daytime. You can use a liberal amount of this cream and dot it all over your face and spread it properly and have a nice thick film at the nighttime, and then moisturize your face on the top, because sometimes glycolic acid can lead to dryness of the skin, so you need to moisturize it at the nighttime, and then you can go to sleep. And after that, in the morning time, if you're using this cream in the morning time, which I would suggest don't use it, but if you still want to use it at the morning time, then make sure that you have cleansed your face and applied this all over your face, and then nicely made a thick film. Then after that, you're gonna put your moisturizer without any fragrance into it or denatured alcohol, and on top of that you're going to be applying a SPF 50 sunscreen, which is a mineral sunscreen, not the chemical one. So there needs to be the zinc oxide or titanium dioxide present in it, or else silica. So these are the ingredients, or else iron oxide. So these are the ingredients that you have to check for in your mineral sunscreen. So these are the top ingredients that you can select and apply it on your face. Remember, even the sunscreen should not have any sort of fragrance or else denatured alcohol in their formulation. So how long will it take to see the results? It is gonna take some time. See, no cream works instantly. It takes at least 4 to 5 weeks to see at least 1% or 2% of the result. So don't expect any results to be like instant sap. All the topical application of cream does take time, and not only that, you need to keep your diet healthy. You should not eat gunk, and then it accumulates in your gut and you can see it on your skin. So that's why I always tell my subscribers and all my viewers to eat healthy. You need to eat healthy and then apply all this cream just to improve it from within and as well as outside. I hope I covered all the important points related to the DeMelan cream, and if you have any questions you can write down in the comment section below, and also make sure that you click on that like button and also share this video with your friends so that they can also understand how the skincare formulation actually works. And I will see you soon in another video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and bye.